Hey, it's Leo and my sister
Bella.
and we are with Leonardo's lab, and today we are going to be making rainbow bubbles. So the ingredients you need is Dawn dish soap, some water, plastic bottle, scissors to cut the plastic bottle, but you need an adult because this can be dangerous. A dirty old sock that you're not using anymore, and food coloring. I am going to be using the liquid food coloring, and Bella will be using the gel food coloring. Alright, so let's begin, shall we?
Yeah.
So the first thing you're going to do is squirt some dish soap in there. Now you want to get a lot, but not too much. There you go. And then you're gonna stir it around with your spoon. Alright, that's good. And now what you're going to do is take your sock and put it over your half-cut plastic bottle. And it should look like this. Bella, you got one too?
Yeah.
There we go. And now you're gonna take your food coloring, and then this is the bottom of the cup where the sock is. You're gonna take your food coloring and smear it all over there. Alright, so the next step, you're going to dunk your sock cup in there like this. Then you're gonna lift it up. Breathe. So this is a fun experience. And also make sure to wear your gloves. Forgot to mention that, because it can get very messy, and if you touch it, you could get your hands full of stuff. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And go check out my website, my awesome website.
You got some on your lips.
You got some on your chin too. Bye. Have a great day.